Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2014 BMW 328i maintenance light reset. First of all, go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And we're going to be using this button over here and just that button. You can go ahead and press 3 times and hold it on the 3rd time. 1, 2, 3, and give it about a few seconds. That should come up. Now click until well, I'm already here, but if not, keep clicking until you get to the maintenance. Sorry, I was just there again. That's the one. Now go ahead and press and hold. Let go. Press and hold again. And that should do it. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.